Welcome to the breathtaking northeast of India, where every sunrise paints a new story. From the rolling tea gardens of Assam to the magical waterfalls of Meghalaya, a land of vibrant cultures, soulful music, and timeless traditions. For the adventurer in you, trek the unexplored trails, ride through scenic valleys, and feel the thrill of the rapids. Taste the flavors, meet the warm-hearted people, and experience hospitality like never before. Discover the unexplored. Discover Northeast India.